Hey guys, so as regarding the upcoming Blackview Hero 10, Blackview has released different support videos of the upcoming Hero 10, which I think is a proof that the Hero 10 is coming very soon and the device is still currently in the works. A lot of things have been tested and being worked on to make sure that the device is working perfectly fine. It shows that the Hero 10 is coming very soon, and this device is Blackview's first foldable device or flip device. It's just amazing, guys. And once the device is released, it is going to be the cheapest foldable device that you can get, and this is the first, I believe, the first 4G foldable device in the entire world. In terms of specs, the device has a 6.9-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display. The device is powered by the Helio G99 and it utilizes 12GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. The device also has a circular rear display, which is impressive. The device features a dual rear camera setup consisting of a 108MP primary sensor and an 8MP wide angle lens, while the front-facing camera is 32MP. The phone will be shipping with the Android 13 OS with Dock OS 4.0 on top. So these are some of the top features of the Blackview Hero 10. The device was unveiled at the CES 2024 event and it's expected to be released before the ending of March, probably. Anyway, what are your thoughts about the upcoming Blackview Hero 10? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.